Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix swipe reply not showing on Instagram. So first you need to link Facebook account with Instagram. The swipe reply feature was first available in the Messenger app. You can only see this feature on Instagram once you link both your Facebook and Instagram account. Meta calls this cross-communication. So, when you don't see Messenger in the top right corner of the Instagram app, then consider adding your Facebook account to Instagram to use all messaging features. To link your Facebook account with your Instagram account, please follow these videos. Open the Instagram, go to your profile, then to the menu, and tap Settings. Tap the Account Center under the Meta. Now, set up Account Center, then add Facebook account. Select the Facebook you want to connect to and tap Yes to finish the setup. Now that you have added or linked your Facebook account with Instagram, go back to the home page and check. You will see the Messenger icon at the top right. Tap on it and go to a conversation. Now, tap and swipe from left to right on a message to reply to that. As you can see, the swipe reply is available. Method 2. Update the Instagram app. Even you have linked or connected both Facebook and Instagram accounts, and you cannot swipe to reply to a specific message in a chat. Then consider updating your Instagram applications to its latest version. Go to the Play Store and update the app. Now, restart your Android and check if the reply to a message issue is resolved. So, you have done everything, and the issue is still there. That is not your problem anymore. Possibly, it's a bug in the current Instagram update. Don't worry when you get a new update for the app. It will be fixed automatically. Once you install the update, make sure to clear the cache files from your device. Method 3. Clear Instagram cache. Now that you have linked Facebook and Instagram accounts, you are using the latest Instagram app, but the swipe reply option is still missing. Then, it's time to clear or delete the cache file of the app. Here's how to do it. Tap and hold the Instagram app and tap the info icon. Go to Storage and tap Clear Data option at the bottom. Remember, this will log out you. Make sure that you remember your password and username before clearing the cache. Once done, open the Instagram app and log in to your account. For sure, the problem will be resolved. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.